Hi students, welcome to the next session 15. Previous session we done miscellaneous examples. Today we'll discuss miscellaneous exercise models. Few important questions we'll discuss. The first one, integral sin x by sin of x minus a dx. Here we can't divide with the denominator, substitution method is also not possible. That's why I will take x minus a is a t. So let x minus a equal to t. From this x value what will get? Send minus a that side. X is equal to t plus a. Whenever you are substituting, we need to differentiate with respect to x. X derivative 1 into dx, a derivative 0 only equal to dt. Directly dx equal to dt I am writing. Substituting that, integral sine of what is x value? T plus a by sine x minus a is t. Dx is equal to dt. Now numerator in the form of sine of a plus b. Sine a cos b plus cos a sin b divided by sin t dt. Now divide with the denominator. When you divide for first term sin t cancel, you will get only cos a plus cos by sin, this is a cot t into sin a dt. Integrate separately. Here cos a is a constant. Because we are integrating with respect to t means the function also compulsory in terms of t, then it is only a variable function, otherwise it is a constant. So take cos a common, integral of 1 dt. Here sin a is a constant, that's why sin a common. Integral of cot t dt. Cos a. Integral of 1 dt is t. Sin a into integral of cot t is what? Log mod sin t or log sin t plus c. Now replace the t value. What is the t actually? T is x minus a. That is cos a into x minus a plus sin a into log mod of sin of x minus a plus c is the answer. Next, second one. This is important for 2 marks. Evaluate integral of e power 5 log x minus e power 4 log x divided by e power 3 log x minus e power 2 log x dx. Before integrating this, I will simplify this. E power, take the 5 power, what will you get? Log x power 5 minus e power log x power 4 divided by e power log x cube minus e power log x square dx. Now have condition e power log to the base, whatever log a to the base e, what will you get? Only a. Now your base is nothing is given means e only, that's why this e and log will be cancelled. You get x power 5 minus x power 4 by x cube minus x square dx. From numerator I will take common only x square. What will get remaining? X cube minus x square by x cube minus x square dx. Now both are same terms, now it will be cancelled. Now we need to integrate only x square dx. What is integral of x square? X cube by 3 plus c. So next, question number 3. Integral cos x by root of 4 minus sin square x dx. Here we can apply substitution method. Reason what? Here the sin x derivative cos x is present in this function. That's why You can apply substitution. Let sin x equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Sin x derivative cos x into x is dx equal to dt. Now integral cos x dx is dt. I will take 1 by under root of 4. I can take 2 square minus sin square x. Sin x is t, that is t square. It is in which formula? Integral 1 by root of a square minus x square. That is formula for sin inverse of x by a, t by 2 plus c. Now again substitute the t value. What is the t? Sin x. Sin inverse of sin x whole divided by 2 plus c is the answer. Next, question number 4. Evaluate integral of sin power 8x minus cos power 8x by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x dx. The condition is what you are taking. That is absolutely correct. Now in this, how to simplify value? Sin power, this I can write sin power 4x whole square cos power 4x whole square by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x dx. Integral, this is clearly in the form of a square minus b square. We can write a plus b into a minus b. Sin power 4x plus cos power 4x into sin power 4x minus cos power 4x divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. This sin power 4x plus cos power 4x I can add one more time like this. Sin square whole square cos square whole square. Here again this one I can write sin square x whole square minus cos square x whole square x dx by denominator as it is same, no changes. Now from this we can write integral of, we have formula a square plus b square in the form of a plus b whole square. Actually a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. In that if you find a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That's why I can add this one. A means sin square x, b is cos square x. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. 2 sin square x into cos square x. This is clearly a square minus b square formula. You can write a plus b into a minus b. Sin square x plus cos square x into sin square x minus cos square x whole divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x dx. Here from the numerator, sin square x plus cos square x clearly 1 square is 1 only. 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x into sin square x plus cos square x again 1 into sin square x minus cos square x dx divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. Now both terms are same, it get cancelled. What remaining is there? 1 into sin square, that is sin square x minus cos square x dx. We have cos 2a formula cos square a minus sin square a, but the reverse is there, that's why I will take minus common. Minus common means what will get? Minus of cos square x minus sin square x. Minus take outside. Cos square x minus sin square x formula is what? Cos 2x dx. Finally, how much length is there? Finally, what simplified value? Integral of cos is sin 2x by inner function derivative is 2 plus c is the required answer. So next question, fifth one, evaluate integral of e power x by 1 plus e power x into 2 power e power x dx. Clearly in this question, the derivative of e power x is present in this numerator. That's why first apply substitution method at e power x is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x. E power x derivative is e power x into dx equal to dt. Now integral of e power x dx is clearly dt, that I will take 1 by 1 plus t into 2 plus t dt. Here partial fraction is not required, a lengthy process. I can split two intervals because both are consecutive factors. I am writing 1 can be written like this, 2 plus t minus of 1 plus t. Simplify, t cancel, 2 minus 1 will get 1 only. By, we can use partial fractions also, but lengthy process. Both are non-repeat factor, a by 1 plus t plus b by 2 plus t. It's a lengthy process, not required. Into dt. Now divide with the denominator now. If I divide the denominator, which is cancel, 2 plus t will cancel. What will get remaining? 1 by 1 plus t minus, divide for second term, 1 plus t cancel, 1 by 2 plus t. Both are clearly in the form of integral of 1 by x form. Integral of 1 by x means what? Log mod x. So log mod of 1 plus t minus log mod of 2 plus t plus c. It's clearly in which form? Log a minus log b. We can write log of a by b, log of 1 plus t by 2 plus t plus c. Now the substitute t value. What is the t? E power x. 1 plus e power x by 2 plus e power x plus c is the required value. Next. Next question. Question number 6. Evaluate integral of e power 3 log x into x power 4 plus 1 whole power minus 1. Here into dx. Now I will simplify this function before applying any method. Just take 3 into power e power log x cube into this power minus 1 means I can write by x power 4 plus 1. X power minus 1 I can write 1 by x like that into dx. Now e power log will be cancelled. You will get only x cube by x power 4 plus 1 dx. We can apply substitution method or directly also can apply formula. If you derivate denominator, what you will get? Derivative of x power 4 is 4x cube, one derivative 0. But here 4 is not there. That's why I will multiply and divide with 4. 4x cube by x power 4 plus 1 dx. Is clearly in the form of integral f dash of x by f of x dx. What is the formula? Log mod of f of x plus c. Now 1 by 4 log mod of x power 4 plus 1 plus c. Next. Question number 7. Integral of cos cube x into e power log sin x dx. This is also like same model. E and log will be simplified. We will get cos cube x into sin x dx. Now which function derivative present in this? Cos derivative minus sin. Okay. But sin x is present or not? Yes. That's why we'll consider cos x is t. Differentiate this with respect to x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x, again x derivative dx equal to dt. Send this minus right side. So what remaining? Sin x dx is equal to minus dt. From this integral cos x means t cube into sin x dx is minus dt. Take minus common. Integral of t cube dt. Integral of t cube means which formula? X power n formula. X power 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 4 plus c, minus what is our t value? Cos x whole power 4 by 4 plus c is the required answer. So next question number 7. Evaluate integral of 2 plus sin 2x. 7th or 8th question, huh? 6th, 7th. Now here 2 plus sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x into e power x dx. Now in this, take first e power x starting, e power x into 2 plus sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x into dx. E power x into 2 plus, what is sin 2x formula? 2 sin x cos x. What is 1 plus cos 2a formula directly? We have 2 cos square a, that is 2 cos square x into dx. Now divide with the denominator. Divide means what? 2 to cancel, you will get 1 by cos square x. 2 to cancel, or you can write 2 sin x by 2 cos square x. 2 to cancel and 1 cos is cancel. What remaining? E power x plus 1 by cos square, we can write secant square x. 1 sin and cos, sin by cos is tan x. Write in order properly, e power x into first tan x plus secant square x into dx. Already we have formula integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. Dx is e power x into f of x plus c. Now tan derivative is secant square x. Formula is integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. As for this, we can write answer e power x into what is f of x? Tan x plus c is the answer. Next, question number 8. Evaluate integral pi by 6 to pi by 3 sin x plus cos x by under root of sin 2x dx. In this question, already in example we discussed one question. Any functional derivative which is not present here directly, but cos x derivative, which function derivative will get cos? Sin x derivative. To get plus sin x, if we take minus cos x, so cos derivative means minus sin will get, but we need plus sign. That's why I'll consider the function here sin x minus cos x is t. But this function is not present in the function. We need to consider this one by identifying which function, if you take t, that derivative will present here. Sin derivative cos, cos derivative minus sin, minus of minus plus sin. Clear? In this type of questions, we need to consider separately with the term which is not present in the function. So clear, all of you understood? Sin derivative cos minus cos derivative plus sin. That's why if you differentiate this, this is present in this question. Differentiate with respect to x, sin x derivative cos x, cos x derivative minus sin, minus half minus plus sin x into dx equal to dt. Next, we need sin 2x also, no? That's why this is given function equation squaring on both sides. Scale which form? A minus b whole square sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x equal to t square. Sin square plus cos square is 1. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x equal to t square. Interchange both. 1 minus t square equal to sin 2x. But this is a definite integral. We need to change the limits also because we are changing the variable from x to t. First lower limit. What is the lower limit is there? Pi by 6, 30 degrees. Substitute in this. Sin pi by 6 cos pi by 6 equal to t. That is sin 30 1 by 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2. That is 1 minus root 3 by 2. LCM 2 only, that's why. Upper limit pi by 3 is there, no? Sin pi by 3 minus cos pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So if you take 2 common means LCM root 3 minus 1 by 2 is the upper limit value. Now substitute all these values in the given function. Lower limit is 1 minus root 3 by 2. Upper limit is root 3 minus 1 by 2. Sin x plus cos x dx is what? dt. That is okay, 1 by. Under root of sin 2x value what? 1 minus t square into dt. The direct formula integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Directly sin inverse x formula. Don't take plus c because this is a definite integral. Sin inverse t. 1 minus root 3 by 2. This is root 3 minus 1 by 2. Substitute upper limit. Sin inverse of root 3 minus 1 by 2 minus sin inverse of 1 minus root 3 by 2. If you take minus common in second term, sin inverse of root 3 minus 1 by 2. Or if you multiply this minus inside, what will you get? Sin inverse of root 3 minus 1 by 2 because sin inverse of minus x is minus sin inverse. That's why I am taking minus inside. So total what will you get? 2 times of sin inverse of root 3 minus 1 by 2 is a simplified value. Again you can apply that 2 sin inverse x formula. It is not required. Okay. This is a simplified value for this question. Next. Question number 9. Prove that integral 0 to 1 x into e power x dx equal to 1. Okay, first take the LHS. Integral 0 to 1 x into e power x dx. It's clearly u into v form v dash because product of two functions is there. Algebraic function exponential, that's why u is e power x, v dash is u is x ma, u is x, v dash is e power x. Find u dash derivative of x1. V means integral of e dash, that is e power x dx, that is e power x. Integral u v dash formula what? uv minus integral u dash v. But definite integral is there, we should remember. U, what is u? X. V, e power x. Now for this, integral limits is from 0 to 1 because integration is over in this. Minus integral 0 to 1, u dash is 1, v is e power x dx. Later we will substitute limit at a time. Again 1 into e power x is e power x only na. Integral of e power x, again what will get? E power x. 0 to 1, don't take plus c. Now substitute upper limit 1 into e power 1, that is e, minus 0 into e power 0 is 0, minus e power 1, that is e only, minus e power 0. E minus 0 e only, minus e plus e power 0 is 1. Both are cancelled. What is the value? 1 is the required RHS. Next, 10th question. This is 1 mark important for the property. Integral minus 1 to 1 x power 17 cos power 4x dx. Prove that is equal to 0. Cos power 4 is an even function, but x power 17 is a odd function, because already I discussed many questions how to check even or not. Substitute x with minus x. Again, if you got minus of f of x means odd function. So here x power 17 into cos power 4x is a odd function. So according to the property integral minus a to a f of x dx, if given f of x is a odd function, integral value is 0. So next, evaluate integral dx by e power x plus e power minus x. This is a previous year question, 2 marks important. Now, I can write 1 by e power x, e power minus x I can write 1 by e power x into dx. Now take LCM. What is LCM? E power x is the LCM. So what we get here? 1 by e power x whole square plus 1 divided by e power x dx. Now this e power x comes to numerator. Integral e power x by e power x whole square plus 1 dx. Now which function derivative is present in this? E power x derivative is only present. That's why we are applying substitution method. Let e power x is equal to t. Now differentiating with respect to x. E power x derivative is e power x into dx equal to dt. E power x dx is dt, that is 1 by t square plus 1 dt. Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square is direct formula tan inverse t plus c. So tan inverse of what is the t value? E power x plus c is the required value. Next, 12th one, evaluate integral of cos 2x by sin x plus cos x whole square dx. It's also a very easy question. In this, we are taking the value cos 2x we can write, we have formula cos square x minus sin square x by denominator as it is take sin x plus cos x whole square. The numerator clearly in the form of a square minus b square. I will write a plus b into a minus b cos x minus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x whole square. Now here cos plus sin or sin plus cos both are same. One term gets cancelled. What remaining? Integral cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x. Dx. Clearly, the derivative of denominator is present in numerator. Sin x derivative cos x. Cos x derivative minus sin x. That's why which formula? Integral f dash of x by f of x formula. Directly we can write log mod of f of x plus c. Next, question number 13. If f of a plus b minus x equal to f of x, then find integral a to b x into f of x. This value we need to find out. F of a plus b minus x is f of x given. What given function equation? Integral a to b f x into f of x dx. Now I am applying property integral a to b f of x dx equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x. Now in the given function, wherever x is there, substitute a plus b minus x. This is equation number 1, considered as I. Property applying integral a to b, wherever x is there, substitute a plus b minus x f of a plus b minus x dx. I equal to integral a to b f of a to b a plus b minus x. The f of a plus b minus x equal to which one? F of x dx. Now this is, you can simplify still again. Integral a to b, first I take a plus b into f of x, inside multiply, what will get? A plus b into f of x dx. Integral minus integral a to b x into f of x into dx. From equation 1, this complete value what again? I. So I equal to integral a to b f of a plus b into f of x dx minus I. Now minus I take this side, I plus I is 2I equal to a plus b is a constant, take common, integral a to b f of x dx. Now divide with 2, that's all answer, because f of x value we don't know. To find further, so I is equal to a plus b by 2 integral a to b f of x dx. Next, 14th one. Evaluate. Same, integral 0 to 1 tan inverse of 2x minus 1 by 1 plus x minus x square dx. Now here in this numerator, integral 0 to 1 tan inverse of, first I will change the denominator 1 plus, in this 2 times I will take x is common, what remaining? 1 minus x into dx. Now I will convert this one in the form of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula with the same factors what here, x and 1 minus x. This 2x minus 1 I am writing like this, x minus of 1 minus x. Simplify, x minus 1 minus of minus plus x plus x what will get? 2x. Same only now is clear in which form? Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. This is the formula for which one? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Now integral 0 to 1 tan inverse x minus tan inverse of 1 minus x into dx. This considered as I. Don't need to apply UV formula. We'll apply the property here. What property here? Integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. If you apply UV rule, it is very lengthy. So using property here, easy method. I equal to wherever x is there, substitute a minus x. What is a here? 1. Integral 0 to 1 tan inverse of 1 minus x minus tan inverse of 1 minus of 1 minus x into dx. Here 1 gets cancelled. I equal to integral 0 to 1 tan inverse of 1 minus x minus tan inverse of minus plus x. This is equation number 2. Add this 1 and 2. In 1 I have what? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse of 1 minus x. Here reverse is there. That's why by adding 1 and 2, I plus I is 2i, integral 0 to 1. By adding tan inverse x minus tan inverse x cancel, minus tan inverse of 1 minus x plus tan inverse of 1 minus x cancel, you will get 0 dx. Integral of 0 is 0. So I divide to that side. What is I value? 0 is the final answer. Now integration PU is completed. Now from next session we will start competitive. Now before that you should complete PU classwork, and whatever homework questions is given, every question is complete, and whatever you have doubt, send doubts whatever is there, send to my mobile number, WhatsApp number, and from next class we will start competitive. Thank you.